If I could talk to Rizal. Good day, Lolo Pepe. I'm Henry Balunsat from the STM 4B. If you were standing in front of me today, the first thing I would say is, maraming salamat po. Thank you for your big courage. You use your writings to wake up our country instead of using weapons. Your sacrifice in Bagong Bayan was not wasted. Because of you, we are free today. We own our country and we are proud to be Filipinos. If you ask me, Lolo Pepe, what are the Philippines doing today? I will tell you that we have a good and bad news. The good news is that many Filipinos are great people today. We work hard all over the world in hospitality, business, and medicine. Millions of young people are going to school because they want a better life. We still have hope, but the bad news is that our country still has big problems. The corruption and greed you wrote about in your books Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo are still here. Many people are still very poor. We are free from other countries, but we are still fighting our own government to have a better life and a better future, not only for us, but also for the future generation of the Philippines. And we are fighting for our rights, even the young or the old Filipinos here today. Here in year 2026, there's a lot of changes in the Philippines, in the place, food, culture, and tradition. But the one thing that did not change is the youth are still the hope of the Philippines. We are fighting for our rights, we having a good education, and we are telling the truth. Even the government are our great predator, but we want a good future and a good country for our next generation. Your sacrifices are still the hope of the people today, and we are being courage in your life story, and we are always reading, or we are studying your books Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Thank you very much for your sacrifices, encouragement, and everything that you do for our country. The word thank you is not enough to thank you, but also having a good education is also offered to you, Dr. Jose Rizal. Maraming maraming salamat po.